Pause this screen for a second. Have you ever felt that money slips through your hands without even noticing? What if I told you that there are 9 simple lessons that every young person or adult in the US needs to learn in 2025 to avoid debt, invest intelligently, and build financial freedom without enrollment? Stay until the end. They are not theories, but strategies applied by millions to really control the pocket today. Here on the channel, I teach uncomplicated finances that help anyone make safer and smarter decisions. Like, share with those who need. Sign up and activate. The Tinkerbell has news every week to change your financial life. Let's go there. 1. Spend less than you earn. To mount your emergency reserve, 3. Use apps to invest automatically. Understand the impact of compound interest. 5. Pay debts with methodology. 6. Learn about index funds. 7. Make realistic monthly budget. 8. Avoid online fraud. 9. Set financial goals. 1. Spend less than you earn seems obvious, but 30% of Americans live at the limit every month. Start writing everything for a week. You will be surprised by the unnecessary expenses. 2. Emergency reserve kit. 3. 6 months expenses in the right account. Experts such as Bola Sokunbi and Tori Dunlap reinforce. Without a bottom, any unforeseen turns into crisis. 3. Apps that invest for you. Micro investments and robots like Betterment put your money to work automatically. Ideal for those who want practicality. 4. Compound interest. Einstein called it the greatest discovery of mankind. Start today with little. In 10 years, up to $50 per month can turn into a fortune. 5. Snowball method. Debt payment technique. Taught by Dave Ramsey. The least debt first to gain motivation and create momentum. 6. Indexed funds. Nate O'Brien recommends market ETFs as the basis of any portfolio because they are diversified and cheap. 7. Realistic budgetors. At the beginning of the month, prioritize essential expenses and limit indulgences. You'll remain in control and avoid surprises. 8. Protect yourself against fraud-enabled double-factor authentication. Monitor notifications and never click on strange links. In 2025, online scams are one of the biggest complaints. 9. Unfocused financial goals. No direction. Want to buy a house? Retire early. Separate short, medium, and long-term goals, and track your progress. Of these 9 lessons, which one do you already apply or need to implement? Comment 1, 2, 3. Remember the 9 lessons: expenditure, control, emergency, automatic investments, compound interest, debts, ETFs, budget, security, and goals. These are simple steps to revolutionize your financial life in 2025. And don't leave without checking out the links below. These are tools I recommend. They can be a catalyst for your financial freedom. If this video made sense, like it, share it with those who need it, and sign up for more practical tips. See you next time.